10-year-old Marcus had the hiccups all day. Hic! Nothing worked. Holding his breath, drinking water backwards, hic! Standing on his head. At the park, a tiny old man appeared. "I can steal your hiccups for $5. "Deal!" Marcus said desperately. The man waved his hands, muttered zibbity-boo, and hic! The man got the hiccups instead. "Hey, give them back!" the man demanded. "You said you'd steal them!" Marcus laughed, running away. Now the tiny man chases Marcus every Tuesday, hiccuping loudly, trying to return them. Marcus still runs. Best $5 he ever spent. Hic! Come back here, kid! The end.